As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session with Stock Sniper Trading, guys. I hope everyone is having a good morning so far. Hopefully you've been taking it easy, all right? We do have some volatile folders coming up here. We'll go over that in a little bit. Current time is 7:42, all right? I'm not looking to do anything until that 8:25, 8:30 time, which is NFP. And we'll go over that like I mentioned in a bit. But guys, make sure to check the description channel. It's not a buy or sell channel here. We are here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades taken upon yourself, try not to risk more than 1% and only what you can afford to lose if you guys are even trading at all today. Okay, there's a lot of people who are not, going to be trading, which is perfectly fine. Just sit back and relax and see if we can catch some nice moves, maybe on a switch to a demo account, whatever it is. Okay guys, also there's a link in the description box for a recommended broker, HankoTrade. You saw the ad play at the beginning of the video. Okay, if you don't want to fund fully, okay, make sure to just download the demo account. Okay, see how their spreads are and everything. Maybe email customer service, go from there. They do take care of their clients very well. Okay. Also, if you're not looking to fund personally, there is a recommended prop firm we have, which is MFF. Okay. Stock Sniper Trading will give you 5% off. And we have a lot of people using that code itself. All right. So guys, also, if you're interested, stocksnipertrading.com is our website. It's pinned at the top of the channel here. Okay. You can check out what we do. And yeah, guys, that's about it. So if you guys have any questions, try to answer them, or I'll try to answer them in the stream. We do have some moderators coming in here a little bit late. All right, and we're going to get ready to rock and start with gold. And I'm going to look at the Dow Jones during NFP as well. So it'll be those two, and we'll look at NASDAQ probably during market open. Okay. So guys, you can see pretty straightforward on gold. We have the consolidation coming into play here. I do see a nice support level starting to hold. You can see it's even previous structure to the left. All right. I'm going to just adjust that real quick. Okay, so I'm going to get some, it's around 1630. Okay, my daily support. Today, gold buy or sell? That's the number one question that everyone wants to know. I do too. I'm a little biased towards sells, just personally. But we'll take a look. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour now, guys. Okay, current time 7:44. Going to just drop this down just a tad here. All right. And then I'm going to act this nice support level here. Some 4 hour support. Okay, and then I have some 4 hour resistance just coming to the top wick here. Okay, 4 hour resistance coming in. Okay guys, so you can see on gold here on the 4 hour, there's that nice dirty wick from FOMC. All right, nice big head fake pushing to all the buyers, baiting them in, and then market selling off here. Okay, let's look at our hourly now. Okay, so nice hourly support just coming in here. Not going to use more resistance, just going to leave that alone. Higher time frame already with the 4 hour right above. And you can see now this is the area that we are working in with the top wick and the support level hold on the 4 hour. And look at this chop session we are currently working in right now. Okay, so this is the 15-minute resistance. And my support level for 15, like I said, is going to be this bottom wick, but I do believe we are going to break this with no problem and then start to, maybe test that hourly as maybe making a new dip for a higher high if we get that in time before that new 8 a.m. pump. Okay, so 15-minute support. Okay, and we'll get dropped down to the 5-minute now. I think today's going to be bullish or bearish. I am biased towards bearish, guys. They might have an initial market pump, just like how everything happens. But I am bearish, personally. Okay. Boom. Nice 5-minute uptrend starting to hold here. Okay, nice little parallel channel here. We're going to actually attach that to there. And you can see what we're working in. Okay, guys, so we're just going to sit on this for a little bit here. Okay, got 29 likes. Let's see if we can smash these likes to 100. As soon as we do 100, we'll go over to the Dow. Okay, so we will wait and just hold and watch gold until then. All right. As I said, we are just starting out here, and all eyes are towards that new 1 hour candle, which will then lead over to our news, which we'll go over in a second here. I do see some 50 line here on the RSI. We're heavily above. Okay, let's take a look at the moving averages where we're at. Did we push right back everything? Let's take a peek. Yep, so we're still above. Okay. Okay, you can see right here the nice 200 MA around 1642. Okay, you can see that golds are at 1641. So you can see that the hold in terms of the 4 hour support is roughly at 1644. Okay, you can see during the Tokyo Asian session last night, gold had a massive retracement pushing back up for NFP. Okay, and now we're back in that 1650 area. I don't know if people remember, but we did send a trade idea saying that the target would be from 1620 to 1650, and you can go on our free Telegram group. The trade was posted yesterday at 9:15 a.m. And if you guys did hold that, that's a 300 pip move. Okay. So we're just going to watch now and see how it's going to do. I want to click on the Sniper scanner for a second here. Let's take a look. Ooh, guys, we got some oil. Oil's looking pretty gnarly for sells, guys. You can see GJ is looking for some buying opportunities here. All right, so we'll go over that at the new hourly switch up here, which is about 10 minutes. Okay, so let's head over and erase this 200 EMA. We know where it is. Let's leave the 9 on there just so we can see. And let's take a look at this news here, guys. Okay, here's the main event. All right, this is like WWE, UFC, the main card. Okay, on Fridays, 8 a.m. Okay. All right, so how many people have traded NFP before? Just a quick question. How many people have traded NFP before? Yes, okay. I got a lot of people in the group. All right, checking it out. They say many times it's hit or miss. Okay. Got a lot of people want to see what's going on here. All right, there we go. Yeah, Patrick. And FOMC, they have the manipulation happening at 2 o'clock, 2:30. All right. Okay, guys, that's cool. If you've never traded it, okay, this is the news. All right, let's just go over this. If you guys have already done it, you guys understand what's going on here. Okay, it's not just one folder we're dealing with here. That's the main thing. Okay. All right. You can see we have two Canadian launches here. This is supposed to impact me. I don't care. Okay, personally. If you're trading CAD, just follow the US dollar and then you can trade with the US dollar with CAD. Okay, that's the best tip I can ever give you. When the dollar is going up, just go with CAD. Okay. For the US, okay, so average hourly earnings. Let's go over this stuff here, guys. All right. So why traders care. It's a leading indicator of consumer inflation. When businesses pay more for labor, the higher costs are usually passed on to the consumer, which makes sense. Okay. They need to keep their margins to be able to keep their businesses running. This is just business. Okay. And so what these guys do is they gain all of the data mass and they accumulate into one folder launch. All right. So you can see last folder, October 7th, 0.3. All right. The previous one, September, negative. Okay. So they were neutral. So I think this one's going to have a bigger impact than the last two itself. NFP. Okay. Look at the last 5 NFP folders here. Okay. You can see what we have here. Since June, we've been positive. All right. So what is this folder? Okay. Non-farm payroll, NFP employment change. Okay. Release monthly, usually at the first Friday at month's end. So the new month. Okay. It is vital economic data released shortly after the month ends. It's a combination importance of early makes of hefty market impacts. Okay, so job creation, reporting indicators, same thing as what we did before. Okay, so this is from you can see forex.com NFP route. Will Powell get the job slowing down he wants? Let's take a look at this. Okay. Following Wednesday's FOMC, it's clear to Jerome Powell and company we are still far concerned about the price stability. Okay, half of their dual mandate than the full employment half. Okay, nonetheless, the central bank remains data dependent. So this month's job reports will play into the central bank's interest rate decision at an upcoming December meeting. Okay, with 2 NFP reports and another CPI reading scheduled before the Fed interest rates decision in the mid-December, it is not surprising that traders are uncertain about the central banks will do. Okay, so a lot of uncertainty here. Okay, you guys can see just what's happened with FOMC. That's what happened on Wednesday. Okay. All right, that's what happens on Wednesday. All right, now we have the Friday loose. But also, not just NFP, guys. Okay. Let's just go back here for a sec. All right, just make that back here. Sorry, guys. Okay, we also have the unemployment rate here too. Okay. This is also a very big one for US. Okay. Unemployment is what, if you don't have jobs, like you're going to see this economy's like, you guys get what I'm saying, right? I hope you guys do. All right. But let's read the folder. Just because there's new people here, all right, mixed with older people, and that's totally fine. Okay, so you can see the past history. It was positive in October, September was negative, all right? So why traders care? Generally viewed as a lagging indicator, the number of unemployment people is an important signal of over economic health because consumer spending is highly correlated with labor market conditions, okay? Unemployment is also a major consideration for those steering the monetary policy, all right? So NFP, just the same where least folder. This is what I wanted to click on when we looked at the unemployment right here, okay? This is just from NFP.org. The U.S. job market is still tight, all right, but perhaps not as tight as it has been. Let me highlight this for you. A report from the Labor Department on Friday is expected to show more employers added about 25% fewer jobs in October than they did the month before. Okay, 25% fewer jobs. Okay, that's a hint right there. Okay, analysts say that decline in job growth is not surprising since employers have already replaced all the 22 million jobs that were lost during the pandemic. Okay, so you guys understand that they have been refilling jobs, but now, you know what I'm saying? The 25% fewer jobs is what sticks out to me. Okay, a cooling job market could even help the Federal Reserve to achieve what is so-called soft landing if it contributes to slower inflation without tipping the economy into recession. A gradually slow job market means a soft landing is, and you can see the click on the full story there. Okay, I don't want to go too much on that, guys. I'm just trying to burn some time. All right, so this is going to be very large, okay, in terms of unemployment, okay, but also NFP. And guys, I like Forex Factory. There's a lot of other ones out there too. You know, you guys pick and decide what you want to do. All right. I think we want an increase in unemployment numbers to allow inflation pressures to decrease. Well, we'll see. Absolutely. Okay, so let's exit on that. And then the same thing goes for CAD news. Okay, you just click on the folder here and then take a peek and then go from there. All right. So here's what we have on gold. I just lost 20% in London. Okay, so guys, one thing here, just a quick tip. If you're trading NFP, you know, in London, or you're trading anything like this leading into these folders, I'm going to take a break. There's not take a break, but I'm going to make a suggestion to you just next month, okay, which will be, you know, December. I highly suggest that if you see these large folders coming in here, I would just take a break. You know, don't be that trading addict, especially on indecisive time periods which lead into major folders. All right, so let's take a look here. Let's see what we got on the Dow. All the indices are pumping up. Excuse me, sorry. All right, I can see a nice push, okay, like a pretty big push coming in once this 8 a.m. candle hits. So let's watch and see here. This has happened the last 2 days. Let's see if it's going to happen on the 3rd. Members at 8:15, I'm going to send you 3 trades. Okay, so gold is consolidating. Let's take a look at the DXY here, see what we have. All right, look at GU just consolidated. Look at the DXY here, guys. So let's take a look at a broader view here on the hourly. All right. Okay, so this is what we traded yesterday, November, where are we at here? Okay, here we go, the 3rd. This is what we traded when we tapped that 113,100. Look at the highs that we made. I don't know if you guys remember, but that's what we were trading yesterday. Okay, we watched price push up here, get rejected, but look what happened after that. Okay, big dump, all right, and then you can see ever since then, started to make a continuation. That 112.5, all right, you can see the rejection in terms of support level happening here. They pushed it back up. Let's see that 112.7. Let's see where that is. And you can see how another whole number pushes price back down, getting rejected at that 9 EMA, and we are starting to walk back down. Okay, I can see us getting some nice push movement coming in around this area right here. Okay, so let's just add that as a demand. We'll see. All right, guys, just you can see the dollar index now coming into 8 a.m. Okay, let's go see what we got going on the 15 and the 5. There's GU selling here, NASDAQ, a little bit of push, Goldie. Then you can see the Dow starting to push up. Let's take a quick peek at the Dow here. Okay, so let's take 1 second. Sorry, guys. Okay, 100 likes. Let's do a top down real quick on the Dow. Okay, so keep in mind we do have that wick starting to fall, that pulled back down from 32,000. Okay, so let's go from the daily here. Sean J, you see Rogers? Yeah, they're being nice to me today. All right, here we go. You can see nice level of support coming in here. Previous candle structure on the daily for the Dow Jones. Daily support. Okay, some nice daily resistance here coming off bearish move. Okay, and then you have the 4-hour here coming in. Okay, always happens like that. Gonna get that impulsive wick to the bottom here. Hold that daily. How are we looking for NFP? Let's see, guys. I am pumped up here. Hopefully you guys are too. All right. See some nice demand for the 4-hour support on the current candle. Okay, and then I can see the 4-hour just above here. We're in a tight squeeze right now from the wick to wick. Okay, so we got 4-hour resistance. Let's take a look at the 1-hour here. Not really going to do too much. Going to keep the way it is. Let's go to the 15. Okay, so I got some 15-minute support just below here, guys. And that's roughly at 32,165. All right. Drop there, 4-hour. Then we're just going to go to the 5-minute here. Okay, so some 5-minute support. Nice trend. What's good to trade during NFP? Gold, the Dow. Okay, look at that nice trend line here. Gonna see what's happening. All right, so we got here. Look at the price move coming at that 4-hour, pretty strong. All right, probably gonna hold here, maybe suck price back up. Gonna see that wick is going to be filled here. Let's take a look now at Goldie. Okay, we're going to leave this alone, guys, for 2 seconds. I'm going to quickly just go get some Splenda for my coffee. Just leave it alone and don't be entering any trades, and we'll go from there. 2 seconds, guys. All right, guys, so 2 minutes here. 8:15 is coming up. Everybody be patient here. Just chill out. Okay, price is pushing back down. Let's see what we got going on here. See the Dow. There's the Dow Jones selling off, guys. My first sell that I have here. Three, two, 1, 72.7. Okay, 32173, guys. That's where we're at right now. Okay, we're gonna push or pull below this. This is what we gotta see. To me, that's a critical level here. Okay, look at that big impulsive push. There we go. 809 coming to 815. Look at that level, guys. Nice resistance here. All right, acting as nice support. We'll take opportunities, guys, in a second here. I just want to wait till 8:15. First 15-minute candle. Okay, let's go to Goldie again. Let's see what we got on gold here. 1652.50. Whole number here, 1652.50. Very nice sell-off coming in. It's just the top and the highs. Right near that 15. Okay, guys, so we've got about a decent amount of people on here. I'm just going to relax until that 8:30. Is it true Forex will be gone in 2026? I don't know. Does that mean all of our money is going to disappear? I don't know if you can really get rid of foreign exchange, but who knows? Who knows what they'll do? Okay, just 4 minutes, guys, and we're getting ready to rock here. All right. Who told me that? No one. I just read it in YouTube, guys. YouTube is like my daily facts. It's like my paper for the day. It's like my daily Reddit. You never know what you're getting, though. It's like playing Russian roulette. BTC actually had a nice move last night, and even today, too. Okay, so just slow movement, guys. You can see the type of, consolidation and choppiness that they're pushing this right now, and it's okay. 2 minutes and 27 seconds here, guys. Gold is still selling off. Now, I can see a couple things happening here, okay? Because, the best folder to trade for me is CPI. I love that folder, guys. That's like my favorite. Okay, it's a single red folder sitting there. All right, this right here, let me tell you what can happen. Okay, I've seen it. There's 3 red folders here. All right, they're all based on the US dollar. This all makes sense. Okay, I'm going to try to break this down into really simple. Okay, if you have, say, 1 positive, which means you'll see green, and then 2 negatives, you're going to see indecision in the market. Okay, right now you can see you have 3 of them coming up at 8:30. All right, so this will be really interesting, to see what's going to happen, and you might get some crazy volatile movement at this time. Okay, and it'll all be depending on the dollar index, which is the DXY right here. Okay, remember we did on the hourly, a little bit of demand. Okay, we're in a float zone right now to me, which means we're in a free fall. Okay, a little retracement. Where did they find a level? Are they near? They did. They tapped 112, 300. Okay, it's that wick right there. All right, see how they bounced it off there? So that's a level of support. We could see this thing start to push back up. Okay, if our key level is going to be right in here, guys, that 112.5. All right, you can see the support level that it held here, and you're going to see a probable push back to the upside, pushing price back down, maybe making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then we're going to see if the lower low is going to happen. If not, they're going to fill that overall 112.5 area. You can see how they just sold off, and we might see a nice continuation push to the upside if these news folders follow along with our analysis. Okay, so look at US 30 just selling off here. Okay, guys, here we go. 15 minutes until we have that NFP. All right, you can see the Dow selling off here. NASDAQ is selling off. Everything is starting to sell off, guys. Gold is trying to push. Okay, a little bit of hold here so far. Okay, guys, here we go. Members, I'm going to give you 3 levels here. Okay. Members, keep those in mind. Okay, start charting those on your charts. Okay, that is what I'm looking for right now, and we'll go from there. Okay, guys, gold starting to push a little bit upside too. We talked about holding that level of support. Let's see US 30 here starting to push back down. Now we might get some manipulation coming in before that. Like I said, these things will not just drop or pop, whatever direction they go in. We will have some manipulated movements coming in here. Okay. It's all, yes, Global Prime is the chart of choice. All right, guys, you can see the sell. What's going on here? It's still continuing. Now remember, we have that market open at 9:30. This is just NFP price, okay, movement right now. You can see Goldie's starting to push back down. Remember we talked about this. No, I'm not placing any of those stops, okay? I want to see the manipulation start to happen first. Ben, no, we're not trading CAD. It's too much to watch in one session. Okay, guys, so this is the seller I'm looking at right here on gold, okay? I know we're past it, okay? But let's see if we get a nice little push. Watch your spreads here, guys, okay? Watch your spreads. The Dow looks like a pretty dirty sell too. That was my area for the Dow. Let's see what we got going on here. 32214. 32214.7. Okay, a little bit high up there. All right, you can see the number before was looking good. Push it back down. Still the sellers here. Okay. So remember, there's going to be manipulation happening here. It's 822. Let's see on the Dow if we're going to get that maybe drop here. Watch your spreads, guys, okay? That's the key. Watch your spreads here. All right, don't enter in on impulse, okay? Gold is indecision right now. All right. Okay, same with gold. Looking at a short below that hourly. Okay, roughly 1650, almost 1649.12. You can see it's just that level hold here. Just watch the impulsiveness lead at market, sorry, not a market, but NFP open. All right, we're gonna watch the Dow. Okay, I'm gonna also just quickly see Goldie here. Okay, just about 35 seconds for that 824. And we got gold here. We're gonna set an alarm just on both. Guys, I will be trading here, and it's not large lot sizes. Okay, don't enter in on the dirty just yet. Just if it's gonna pump down, I thought it was gonna break to the upside here. Last candle before 8:30, guys. Here we go. Okay, so set an alarm right here. Okay, so let's watch and see here, guys. Big long wick at the top here. So remember, if you're not comfortable trading this, there's a lot of indications of both different ways, but the dollar is going to be the bad boy today. All right. Let's see what manipulation we can get ourselves in today. Guys, your stop loss, have like a 25, maybe 50 pip stop loss. Don't use a large lot size. There we go. If that's the case, guys, let's move this up to 1650 if they're going to push this. Let's see what we got going on here. Why don't we stream 1080p? It just lags the stream. Okay, so look at this, guys. Nice 15-minute coming in here. We're going to watch both gold and the Dow Jones. Okay, guys, so the Dow is actually already freaking tanking. All right. Look at the daily here, guys. Like an inverse head and shoulder pattern coming up on the hourly. So let's watch and see here. No, I'm not in yet, guys. Look at the indecisive move here. Let's just see the last minute coming in here. All right, they're still holding that level, so use a small lot size here, guys. All right, telling you right now, NFP has been known to whip the accounts. We're gonna watch and see here. Just under 1 minute now coming in. Hams, I've already sent it to the Discord. Just check with those levels there. They already dropped past it. "15 seconds, guys. Just buckle your seatbelts, chill out, relax. Don't, like I said, if you're not comfortable doing any of this, just chill back." Guys, I just made 5K on the MFF account. There we go. Secured 3K. Ooh, gonna share that with you guys. Oh, look at that fucking thing go. Wow, let's go, guys. Oh, Goldie, guys. Ooh. Yeah. I cannot wait to share this one for you. Share this one, guys. I did a US 30 20 lot sell and 3,700 on the Dow. I will show you right now. Let's go, guys. Okay, so let's NFP. Let's see here. Wait. We still might get a push down. Sherry got 4K. Let's go. I'm going to share this one with you guys. All right. All right. Did mention to you I was biased towards those sells. Let's see gold here. Look at that wick, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing dump. Like I said, you had to be fast, okay? Just be careful now. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. If you missed the first one, don't get greedy. Mo, no, I was in from a market execution on that one. Look at this, guys. Look at the manipulation now happening here. Let it play out. this big wick, guys. I told you, let it play. Let the first couple minutes out. This is why I tried to tell you guys this. Okay, let's go. Let's take a look at US 30 here too. Look at that big dump, guys. Oof. Okay, so we'll take a look at NASDAQ here. We didn't really look at NAS, to be honest with you. Look at that big wick down here, guys. Oh my God. Look at that big thing coming. Just let it feel out, guys. Let it play. There's gold continuing. That thing, guys, gold dropped around 109 pips. Okay, here we go. Look at this level coming in. All right, let's see now if the Dow is playing the same thing. There we go. Let it play. All right, look at that liquidity. All right, big grab here. There's still a big wick to the downside, guys. All right, let's go take a look at all this news launch. Sean, I'm gonna wait. I want to see. Okay, so look, guys. Okay, so remember, had unemployment negative 3.7, NFP positive, so they continue the sixth in a row. 200,061 average earnings. Everything was positive except for the U.S. unemployment rate, guys. Okay. All right, look at here we go, guys. Let it play. Let it play. Look at this, guys. Big manipulated dump for the big pump coming in. Okay, that's why I said just wait a couple minutes. If it comes back down to that 15-minute level here, let's erase that. Look at that, guys. So I would have hit any kind of stop loss. I told you, wait for the first candle. And look at this manipulated movement here. Remember, I told you guys this 1 second here. Remember that FOMC wick? Look what we're looking for right here. Nice continuation dip down, grab some volume. Look it to the left here on gold. I'm not looking for the wick on this one, but I'm showing you the support level that is being held right here, 1640. All right. Let's go back down. I want to check with the DXY here, guys. Okay. So the initial move was a dump on gold. Okay. And now it got that big pump coming back to that 1650. Okay. Let's look at the DXY here. Look at this, guys. Look at 112,700 rejection. Okay. Look at our support level, 112,300 support. All right. I told you, let the manipulation pass through. If you're not comfortable trading the first one, just sit back and relax. All right. I personally think that these things are going to sell off here. Okay, I think this might have been a stop hunt, but we'll watch and see. It's a battle right now, guys. This is very obvious that was a huge sell-off, and the buyers took control. A lot of, we're getting the Dow at a 31,850 sale here. You got to think of that, right? Okay. All right, let's take a look at gold here too. Look at gold, you guys. Look at the hourly wick, Yusuf. Okay, let's take a look at that big hourly. Oof, look at this. Yeah, there's that wick we're talking about. Look at gold. Okay. Okay, let's watch the Dow here. Guys, I lost, you don't even want to know how much slippage I lost on that. All right, but we're going to see now how it's going to work. Then it does usually pick a direction, but think of how many folders are coming into play here, right? Think of how many folders are coming into play. We have more than just one. All right, so here comes the Dow. Let's see, guys. Demo or real, that's on an MFF account, the one I just posted. That's phase one. I'm waiting for next Thursday, the MFF, not MFF, but the CPI news. Let's see what we got going on here, guys. It's holding the 9 EMA, all right? Right here, okay? This thing breaks below, this thing's going to start to tank off again. Double top. What's Bookmap showing? I actually have Bookmap on another computer right now. It's too distorted because of the volume, guys. It's too distorted because of the volume. Okay, so we're going to close. Let's see if we get a closure below here, and it's going to rocket back up. But look at that, what got rejected at the daily here, guys. Okay, pushing right back down. Look at that big sell-off, guys. Wow. 842, we'll see that 845 candle here. Just let it play. Look at gold. Yeah, gold is right at that 52 level here. Okay. I didn't really look at oil, guys, at all. Am I in? No, I'm good. I'm already done for. I might be done for the day, guys. But we'll watch and see here. If it does break that support level here, you can see to the left. If it does get down here and break, then I might take an entry and watch that wick fill. But we'll see. I want to see the hourly here. You can see that we do have a big long wick on the Dow Jones. Okay, which is something that I'd be aware of. All right, it's not something that like I'm looking for 100% today, but I'm just aware of this. Okay. I still think this is in sell pressure here. I don't think this is any kind of buys. All right, personally. Okay. Then Goldie, look at this, guys, holding that level, 1652. All right. Look at this push. Okay. Is it a buy from here? It could well be, but guys, a nice little liquidity grab. All right. I just don't want to get involved in this again at this time because look at the DXY too, guys. It's pushing them, pulling here. We're starting to sink off. All right. That's a big bearish candlestick. Okay. You've been holding from yesterday, bro? Amazing, man. Guaranteed you went through a wild roller coaster there, but if you did, that's big. Hopefully you're holding in profits. That's the other thing. Okay, let's see if we're going to get that support level here. Okay, we're looking like the dollar's going to sink off here, guys. Look at Goldie, big, 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 big push. That's a sexy move here, guys. Okay, look at this, guys. That's a 3-bar play coming in here. Ooh, guys, give me that bullish crypto. Yes, guys, please tell me. I like to see that. So look at the 3-bar play on crypto. No, this is not a 3-bar play yet. This is just the liquidity grab, and then you can have. It's testing our entry level for me, 32172. All right, that's what it is. What is a 3-bar play, Andrea? Take a look at our in our back end on the website. Okay, it explains what the 3-bar plays are. Okay, there's the crows and then the horses. Okay, just take a look at that. Or follow what Ali just sent. Thanks, brother. All right, here we go. There goes the Dow, guys. Big. That's why I told you don't hold back on these sells. Do not get in these sells. All right, let it play out here. Here's 845 coming in. Gold is, look at this, guys. That's a big move on gold here. 58, 59, probably getting to. Look at this beautiful play, guys. Wow. Okay, big dump off here. Then the buyers take control. All right, the Dow is following the same suit. Look at this, guys. How big of a pump do I expect for the sell? We'll see at this level right here. Okay, you can see that there is some sellers coming in. This is right at the daily too, guys, if you guys were watching beforehand. If we start to get rejected and close below here, guys, I will look for a sell, but okay, let's see what we got going on here, guys. Big rejection coming in. Hamza, there's nothing new, bro. It's not like these prices fluctuate like this. This is the same level. I personally like to sell. That's just me. But let's watch and see here. Got that new 9 o'clock candle coming in. Okay, I still haven't pressed anything yet, guys. I'm just watching before 9 o'clock. Following these rules here, I am biased towards more sells, but again, I don't want to get involved with that new hourly change up. Like, I do believe that we can fill that wick here, but I want to watch that new hourly time. Okay. Been involved in too many of these other trades before where we initially jump in right away because you see price declining and you jump in and then it reverses hard. This is what they want to do. They want to bait you in. Okay. A lot of resistance here, guys. Let's go take a look at gold here too. Oh, here we go, guys, near that daily. Let's just watch this, guys. Now, if you guys missed this and you didn't catch any buys after, this is not where you want to be continuing to smash sells or buys. Wait until that new hourly change, okay? Can I look at oil? I'm going to stay away from oil here, okay, personally. I want to see what's going on with the DXY here. NASDAQ is starting to hold here. All right, GU, nice, almost 3-bar play. Look at, there it goes, guys. Look at that DXY. Okay, just drop below that demand. Look at this. We're starting to get that break. Let's look at the hourly now. Wow, guys. Look at that. Okay, so see how they respected that initial first 5-minute open. All right, look at that big move here. Now we're coming back down here. All right, let's see if we can update this real quick. This is the area where all the buyers once took control. Okay, so I think this thing is on a free fall. Okay, and this is demand. If this thing decides to find support here and this walks up, I'm telling you, again, to 112.7. Okay, like I think we can get to that level here. Okay, but this is going to be a far push, and that's that initial wick at the beginning. So let's just watch and see, guys. Okay, there's your gold. Then look at the Dow here, guys. A lot of impulsive pushback downs here. Okay, so we're just starting to close. Here's that 855. All right, let it do its thing here. Guys, I'm going to quickly, I just have to go let the dog out for 2 seconds, but watch this level right here. Okay, still the same, not changing anything, and then go from there. Okay. Crazy, guys. I saw someone said they lost 100K. That is crazy, guys. Most people, they lose like, 900,998, but 100K exactly. Must have been a pinpoint. Okay, so look at this, guys. All right, look at this. Still going 9 a.m. Don't I said just wait until 9 a.m. Look at gold still holding. Okay, let's see the dollar index, guys. Nasdaq holding. Ooh, guys, look at GU just pumped. The dollars dump. Oh, guys, game over. Look at this thing. The dollar's sinking, guys. This thing is dumping. Watch the new 9 a.m. Let's see if we can pick up some volume here. What do we do at 9? Just watch, guys. Watch the dailies. Watch that new time frame switch. Okay. Look at GU rocketing. Nasdaq pushing, guys. Gold is pushing. Look at Dow pushing still. Okay, that's why I'm trying to tell you. Just be patient here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Testing that daily again, guys. Let's see the Dow here. Are we going to get the push right at 9 a.m.? Look what they do this right under the minute here. Look at this, guys. Big push. Like I said, wait till 9. Let it do its thing. Here we go. Remember we talked about those big wicks, guys? Look at gold here, still pumping. Okay, still moving, guys. This is where you can do a layering technique. Let's see. Still printing buys. Still printing buys here. New 9 a.m. Let's go. Okay. Big move. Just sit back, guys. Sit back here. Relax. Got market open coming in too. Remember, we have one more folder. Mr. Speaker here at 10 a.m. I'm not going to stay for that. But take a look here. See what I mean about that new hour, guys? If you guys smash sells, like I said, just wait. Unless you're doing a small entry here, okay? But again, you can see it'd be in drawdown, all right? I personally believe it's going to sell off. You trade on beliefs. I believe pips will fly. Coming from the Sniper API. So many haters on YouTube. Never believe anything we do because they're a noob. There's my saying in the request from yesterday, guys. That was the decline of the show from yesterday, guys. Yeah, I know. I like that one too. My man Big Rob Mack says, I love big pips and I cannot lie. All the brothers cannot deny. Okay. All right, guys. This thing is still going. Wow. Okay, so do you see how it flips that fast? I got 13%. Man, that's crazy, guys. Crazy. Let's see if there's any divergent play coming in here. 33,000 coming soon. That's big, guys. That's a big statement. That means we're going to have to pump this market. Bump it, bump it. Okay, look at that coming in. Then you can see the price starting to continue. We're at that nice little wick high. All right. This thing ate a Viagra pill, or a few. Okay, I got gold sell at 1660.56 here. Let's see what we got here. 1660.56. All right. That's a seller on gold. Let's add another one here. Members, I got new levels for you. Okay, I'm going to send you these bad boys. I'm going to send you 4 here, okay? I got DAX. I got gold. I got Dow. Use your training with SST to mark these up and go based on this. Okay, if they do not break with nice close below, enter right there. 1666, guys. Sorry, 1660. Just wait till it gets down there. Wait till it gets down there. All right. That's a possible sell here. If it doesn't, then we just flip them bullish, guys. Send them to free YouTube, guys. I can't, unfortunately. I can't do it. It's just not fair. Okay, big top wick here. What do I got here? 3, 2. Okay, I'll put one more here. 3, 2, 3. 04. Let's see if we're going to get that sell level coming in. Jeff Spears, tell the free YouTube I made enough to pay for 6 months of my membership in 2 days. I'm going to screenshot that. DXY is still dumping, guys. Let it dump. Let it dump. Okay, still pumping, guys. Just let it go. Let it go. The momentum is still very, very strong. Okay. Let's take a look at gold here. Do I think gold will get to 1669? Has its opportunity to. Me personally, guys, I'm just going to wait until market open now. That's just me. Okay. I don't want to be involved in getting into a trade. All right. If you guys understand, I do not want to be involved in getting into a trade that is going to kick in the nuts on market open. All right. You guys got to understand. We got to be smart about this. Do I think gold will get to 1669? Then let's watch gold and see if it'll go there. But I'm not touching anything until that time. Okay. Here's the manipulated pull then push. Okay. Nice level hold here. If we don't get these sells now, guys, just let it go. Okay. I'm wondering where is gold going, so am I. Still flying, guys. Just remember, though, we have that hourly talked about here. All right. We're almost filling that wick. You guys see? My man, 1669, 1670. This is wick, big boy right here. Look at that. Remember we talked about that? That's a big move, guys. And you see the sell on possible gold 1660. Okay, look at to the left here. Okay, that's where price had that nice break. See how they crossed that 9 EMA to the left? Okay, and then it dump skied. All right, this is the same area that it did, but look, we need to fill. We might need to fill this wick first. Okay, that's the way it is. All right, this is a big push, guys. Like we're talking volume based here, okay? And the best part about it is it's an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a very, very, very bullish move. Okay, you can see shoulder, head, secondary shoulder here, or you want to count this one, it doesn't really matter, but you can see then the pushback and the volume actually, as soon as you get the volume push, it's breaking the daily here, okay, from what I had. And if you stretch this daily all the way across, okay, you can see to the left that it was once acting as support, okay? So for the people who, say that we just based our stuff off of, systems and this and that, it's actually not. We watch price action and we watch key levels of support and resistance. So shout out to the people who just think that they, have a lot to learn themselves. Okay, and I think we all do, all right? Because right now, like I said, if we're still in shorts, guys, we're in a bad position, right? But if I helped you guys once, it would be waiting for that 9 a.m. switch over, which would have held you from getting into that big, crazy, possible selling, but reverse into bullish move, all right? So just watch and see this, guys. Let it keep going. Look at NASDAQ 2 here, all right? Look at GU, guys. Guys, please, everyone. Oh, look at this, guys. Just so much momentum breaking through. Members in the Zoom right now, I want you guys to give a warm shout out and love to Ian and Rob Mack, okay? And Tony for breaking you guys down GU and helping you guys get through there, okay? I'm telling you right now, those GU updates could have got you a ton of pips, right? A ton of pips. So okay, guys, so now we're bouncing into that one key level right here. All right, look to the left. All right, you can see this is the key structure that we have, that once we push back down here, we dipped hard, okay? Like we dipped hard right all the way down to 110, 500, all right? But again, are we going to break through this level here, or are we going to find some support and start to walk back up? That's the key thing, okay? And it looks like it's starting to find a little bit of support so far. All right. Look at gold here. Look at Dow. I'm going to eat some cantaloupe, guys. Time to lower the blood sugar and the blood pressure here. I won't chew much more. I know you guys can probably hear that right in the stream. I actually got some love on my headset rather than some sheer hatred towards it, but it is what it is. For all my understanding, the news went bullish for the USD, so why the bearish movement? For me, the only time I was bearish was right at the beginning. All right. And then I said the only other time would have been right here. And then I said wait until 9 a.m., which is 8:45. And then you can see if you guys listened, you guys are still looking pretty gravy to me. All right. Are we selling gold yet? Not particularly, in my opinion. Okay. I think we're going to probably come in near that wick around that 1669, 1670, like my man. I had a couple people on the on YouTube say it, and then a couple people on Zoom. So that's the most important part of this, is the support from everyone, helping when we can't really see everything here. I only put one chart on here, guys. I'm going to tell you guys straight up. In the back Zoom here, we do more. Like my man Ron, they focus on like 3 charts at once. Me, because it's on YouTube, it's too hard and be too distorted. I already have people saying our stream is broken, not 1080p, so I don't really want to get it any more distorted as usual. I'm telling you, bro, 1668, 1672 gold reverse. I agree with you, man. I agree with you. So let's set up that sell area right around there. It's filling that wick, which makes total sense. But I'm still going to hold that 1660 level. I think everything's being set for New York Open, absolutely, but I think it's also being set for that 10 a.m. news here too. Okay. The crappy part is, guys, we actually hit 1,000 people on the stream, which was fantastic. Yeah, we did that a few times before, probably about 6 months ago when I was streaming heavily. Before I started taking all those breaks and other people started streaming, other very good streamers, to say the least. Okay. They're very good streamers. We've got a lot of good streamers on YouTube here, guys. All right. But now we're getting back up there, guys. So I'm going to focus on the Dow and NASDAQ for market open. I don't really care too much about gold at this time. All right. But I got a question for you guys. If you guys want, we got 300 likes here, okay? Because it's Friday and, it's been a good day so far. All right. Let's see if we can pump these likes up to 500. Okay. If not, I'll look at maybe doing a NASDAQ key level here as well. And we can go from there. Okay. So, but if we could pump those likes up, guys, it's 9:19 here. We got about 10 minutes until that market open is going to happen. And then we have about, I think, 40 minutes until that news. Okay. About 40 minutes until that news. Just remember, at that key little support level, which broker is reliable? There's a bunch of them out there, guys. You got to go based on where you're from. That's the thing. Guys, on the minute candles, this thing is starting to reverse. On the Dow, GU, NASDAQ, gold, and let's see what we got going on here. Which broker is good in Japan? Guys, that I have no idea, actually. That's a really good question. If there's anyone from Japan, anywhere around that area, if you guys can recommend someone a good broker. Obviously, I do recommend HankoTrade. Their service to me has been phenomenal. Our group has been phenomenal too. There's a little bit of slow execution time there, but if you are scalping on 1 minute, you don't really want to be doing that anyways. But if you're doing a little bit 5, 15, 30 hourly, it's pretty good. So, but make sure to check out, them. There's a link in the description box for them. Okay. Okay, so here we go, guys. Got 9:21 here. What are we waiting for? Personally, I am waiting for the market open to happen, which is the 9:30 New York Stock Exchange. Okay, it's a slow time until then, guys. It's very slow. There's nothing you can do about it. Okay, you can see that dump down there. I'm going to just move that over here. Going to make that a little bit tighter for you guys, just so it's not just there. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing for gold, just in case we do start to get those added sell movements here. Okay, Goldie is starting to push. A little bit bearish here. And we're going to see what's going to happen based on these key levels right now. Question, the alerts on Discord, the trade ideas, is it automatic alert? Yes. The only thing we do is update the chart based on the analysis. What's my gut feeling at 9:30? I think we're going to get a dump, but that's just me. But the dump will lead to the possible pump. Okay, so that's the thing. We do have that 10 a.m. news time. Okay, USD FOMC, Mr. Collins speaker. And then for CAD news, you can see that overall IVPMI. Okay. Look at the Dow here. Okay, 375, guys. So we're not going to show any NASDAQ right now until we get 500. All right, we're going to chill out here. Got about 900 people. We're just going to watch probably the Dow. I won't even probably switch back to gold. I'll just switch to members. We're just going to finish up with the Dow Jones. Okay. Why do I put my stop loss in that form? I use the stop loss, guys, actually to break even, just to show the price. As soon as I tend to go over everything right here, you see that chart. So it makes it a little bit difficult because we're scalping the 5 minutes. So when is NFP? Actually, I think you slept through it. Benasari. It was at it was about an hour ago. It's okay though. Next month will be better. But next Thursday, guys, we got CPI. We will be doing that live. So my man, gotta set those alarms. Okay, we got 9:30 coming in though. That'll work. It's okay, guys. I kind of slept through class every day too. Not really. I actually went to class when I was in school, but definitely felt like sleeping in every day. Look at this, guys. They're still pumping it. All right, let's see Goldie here too. And I didn't say anything, but look at that retracement starting to happen. Let's watch. What do I expect with CPI? That we're going to make a lot of pips. That's the hope. Okay, look at this big push, guys. Still pushing. Hourly still strong. A lot of divergence here. I can maybe, guys, if we push up, like I can possibly seeing us get to that 32,395, 396, maybe 32,400. Let's watch and see on the Dow here. 32,400 right above. I don't know if we're going to reverse market open, guys. I have no idea. Guess I want to change this up, guys. I'm going to keep that new, do not trade. Guys, if you're new, don't trade the New York Stock Exchange Open. That's at 9:30, which is in about 3 minutes. All right. Wait maybe 5-10 minutes if you're not comfortable, and use a trailing stop or stop loss if possible. Okay, and where applicable. All right, let's watch and see what we got going on here. Let's take a look at the DXY real quick. You can see Goldie's still holding there short term. Look at NASDAQ rocketing, guys. Ooh, big pump here. Good. Okay. GU's little source. Look at the possible dead cap bounce here on the DXY. All right. If we break here, guys, we're coming to 111,200. That's the next stop. Maybe 111,300, 400, 300, then maybe 200. Okay. That is like the goal almost if we break this level down here. Okay, so we'll watch. Have we ever gotten so good it scares you? No. No. I generally take losses too, guys, and I don't ever want to get my head in the cloud. Because I know that's when the market humbles the hell out of you. Let's see, guys. There's two wicks here, okay? We got the Dow wick that is tapped 33,000 area with FOMC, okay? And then we have that wick at 31,891. All right. Here's the market open, guys. Okay, we're just starting to begin now. It is commencing. I can't do everything, man. Okay, there's Goldie still holding. This NFP news may have just disrupted everything, guys. Just keep that in mind. All right, the volume could be dried up. Those are big moves, guys. Like, do you understand from the low to the high? If you talk to the low here, all the way to the high, that's a 500 pip move. Okay, like that's a big move, guys, and it's still there. All right. I'm just gonna erase this stuff right here. No real need for that one. It's still, guys, this volume is still bullish right now. Okay. This is still bullish at this time. Watch this 9 EMA, okay? $400 likes, guys, not bad. Okay, we'll take a look at gold here. We don't really much movement happen during gold, but it's still pushing up. Okay, so it's just making that new dip off. Okay, and it's coming probably back to that 1669, 1670 area. Here's the critical level for me. Okay, it's right at the 9 EMA. Can we see same something with substance? I'm not exactly sure what you mean here. What's same something? All right, yeah, I agree with you, Day Trading Lab. I'm more focused on the DXY than anything right now. Nasdaq GU's consolidating. This is what I want to see right here. Look at this big move, guys. They might push this up past 10, okay? Oh, guys, let's see what's going on. Let's see the Dow selling off here. Not really. Nasdaq dumped. Let's watch and see, guys. Just a minute left here. This is still the first 5 minute, okay? can use a fib there. Watch. So right at that 0, we're holding. Back down for a bit. So 0 to 236 level, we're starting to hold right now. Nothing is breaking above. But if it holds, guys, we're breaking that 0 zone and starting to push. Okay. Nasdaq's a little better. Haven't really seen what's going on with Nasdaq yet. Ooh, guys. Timber on Nasdaq. Okay, so nice big continuations here, guys. Nothing tapped. Let it do its thing. Okay. Members, watch the Nasdaq trade, okay? Very slow right now, guys. We're still pumping up, okay? I'm going to stay until 10. We get about first 5 minutes just closed, okay? Karen, open those bubbles and eat that good stuff and text me after, okay? Am I going to trade in gold? No, I'm going to just trade the Dow if we ever get a nice little drop off here. If not, I'm just going to leave it alone. Nasdaq is running, guys. You guys should be eating these pips like breakfast. It's running about 45 pips right now. The Dow is part of the slow movement here. Look at gold here, getting into it. The Nasdaq, guys, we had a sell idea coming in here, and they're running about 50 pips in the Discord. Okay, and look at GU selling off here. Look at the DXY finding that volume based. Let's see if this is going to be a dead cat bounce or if they're actually going to start retracing this back up to 112.7. Let's see what we got going on here, guys. If this breaks that 9 EMA, I'm going to enter. They're not letting it break. Okay, see that 9 EMA? See how respected that is? Look at oil, guys. Oil's back, pumping. GU sexy sell. Big GU movement here. Okay, the DXY. Let's see if we can get past this 9. Where you at? Okay, guys. I got in with a small lot size on this trade. Still holding. See that 9 EMA, guys? Still representing the buyers, still holding there. Okay. Okay, look at that dip down here. Okay, a little bit of drawdown, not much. That 9 EMA is that floating support and resistance, guys. Look at oil here. Look at gold, he's still holding. NASDAQ is still dropping down. The Dow slowly getting held there. NASDAQ was a way better move, guys. If it doesn't drop below here and hold on the new candle, probably going to close the little runner here. When is CPI? I think it's next Thursday. Look at gold melting. There we go. Yeah. Let's go. Guys, that's running about 70 pips. Oh! Ooh, guys. Let's go. Yeah. Guys, if you're happy with that, game time. What a way to end the Friday here. For everyone who dipped off, there was 1,000 people. I got only 800 now. they left pips on the table here. I'm eating my cantaloupe now. I don't care if I get in anyone's ear. No, I'm just kidding. I'll move it up. Goldie. Oh, guys, that thing is running. Members, let me show you this NASDAQ trade that we had sent here real quick. What's that level? Hopefully you guys are banking. 110.840.5 right there. Okay, members, you guys all know it's in the group. Go write a review. Go do what you got to do. That trade is running. Eat your pips, guys. 134 pips. Let's go, guys. Look at the Dow, guys. My goodness. Okay, looks. Don't leave any on the bag, on the table here. The Dow just tapped our original thought of entry here, so and it's holding that support. Okay, look at that. That's around 134 pip move. Okay, don't get greedy here. All right, guys, see, like, don't get greedy. Okay, listen, I'm done. Okay, if you guys got to understand, I do not want to keep going here. That level acts now. That original sell was a sell, but it's now support. Okay, I would still monitor that big wick for the day. Okay, that's a big move here, guys. You do not need to do any more. Okay, take your pips and get out. Okay, get out. Guys, if you don't mind, okay, this is what I'm asking of you, all right? This is what I'm asking of you, okay? If you guys like the stream and hopefully you guys made some pips, can you just like me all the way up to 500? Okay, that's all I'm asking for. At 427 right now. That's all I'm asking for, all right? And if you guys do that, I'll be back on Monday. Gold, NASDAQ finding some support level 2. GU selling off. Look at the DXY, guys. Look at the DXY here. And guys, all hail Rogers Internet. All hail Rogers Internet. It worked today. Man, that's funny. All right. Let's see if I can leave now, guys. 5:24. Okay, guys, I'm done the stream. Guys, listen, okay? If you guys want to join the team, like I said, we had a DAX sell, NASDAQ sell, gold sell, Dow sell, all that have hit today, okay? The original 1 cent, they hit too, but if you guys want to join, it's up to you. Like I said, we do have a small promo running, okay, until the end of today. All right, it's a FOMC and NFP thing. We'll post it up in the free FX group. But guys, if you want to see what we do here, okay, this is the best. Okay, 5 London sessions per week. Okay, 5 New Yorks per week. 4 post New Yorks per week. 3 trading workshops. We traded FOMC live. All right. We had 3 Asian trading workshops, which we scalped a lot of pips during the Asian session as well. We don't trade the Monday or the Friday just because Friday's closed and then Monday is a little bit of a chop session as well. So. Okay, so guys, hopefully you guys understand what it is. If you guys have any questions, please send us a email here. Okay, we appreciate everyone supporting us and what we're trying to do. If you watch the live streams here, we're trying to create a community on YouTube of traders that are all united. Okay, to have a good time either in the group or on YouTube. But regardless, guys, you guys supporting SST is some of the best things that we appreciate. So I would like to thank you for tuning into my channel. I know there's a lot of other amazing YouTube streamers out there, guys. There is. I'm stuck in my broke ass. It's not really broke, but dark room here. You guys are supporting the laboratory that we're in, and we really appreciate it. So with that being said, guys, take the weekend off. Don't be trading the rest of the day here. Remember these key levels, and then you're good to go. Okay? God bless you guys. Enjoy your weekend, and that's about it. Okay? Peace out. Later.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.